Tired of clunky gaps and uneven spacing disrupting your Squarespace design? Let's fix that. First, we need to get into your website's editing mode. Click Edit Site from your dashboard. Now, select the page you want to work on, hover over any element, and you'll see the editing sidebar appear on the left. This is where the magic happens. One of the most common culprits for excessive spacing is the spacer block. If you have a spacer block creating an unwanted gap, simply click on it to select it. You'll see these small circles or squares. These are your resize handles. Click and drag them upwards to reduce the space. You can also click and drag the block itself to reposition it. For text and image blocks, spacing is often controlled by padding with your block selected. Look for the Edit or Design options in the sidebar. You should find settings for padding or spacing. Here, you can adjust the space inside the block. There are usually options for top, bottom, left, and right padding. Experiment by gently sliding the values or typing in precise numbers to fine-tune the space around your content. Galleries can also be a source of uneven spacing. Select your gallery block, and in the editing options, look for settings related to spacing or gutter. This controls the distance between individual images. Adjusting this slider or input field will help create a more cohesive look for your image collections. Aim for consistency. Sometimes the spacing is between entirely different blocks. Squarespace's grid system usually handles this well. But if you see an awkward gap, try rearranging the blocks. Dragging them into a different order or position can often resolve unexpected spacing issues automatically. Finally, always remember to save your changes. Click the Save button in the top right corner to apply all your adjustments and see your polished layout. And there, you have it, perfectly spaced blocks for a professional and visually pleasing Squarespace site. Happy designing!